You are a creative person. Make a Spitfire-inspired music box with me and give it to a loved friend as a gift. From a simple brass and copper plate to an extraordinary handcrafted mechanism using only basic hand tools and a bit of creativity. Let's begin by preparing the blueprint and materials. Start by cutting out the blueprint shapes and cleaning the brass and copper plates for better adhesion. Next, apply the glue to the plates and carefully attach the blueprint shapes to them. Remember, you can download this detailed blueprint from my website tinytreasuresblueprints.com. Now let's work on cutting out the main brass shapes. Start by carefully cutting along the outer lines of the blueprint, ensuring the shapes are ready for drilling. Drill the holes at the designated spots, starting with a smaller drill bit and gradually increasing the size as needed. To ensure precision, stack the plates together and insert a rod through them to keep everything aligned. Use a file to smooth out any sharp edges left by the drilling process. This ensures the pieces are both safe to handle and ready for assembly. Next, carefully cut out the brass and copper shapes using your jeweler's saw. Smooth the sharp edges with a coarse file to refine the shapes. For the plug, mount it into your rotary tool for precise final filing, ensuring it's perfectly rounded. As an extra detail, engrave an airplane model onto the surface. Using the dimensions provided in the blueprint, measure the required lengths for the tubes. Mark these dimensions clearly on the rods for accuracy. Carefully cut out each tube, leaving a small margin for final adjustments. Once cut, file the tubes to the precise size, ensuring smooth edges and an accurate fit for final assembly. Smooth out the parts step by step using sandpaper. Begin with coarse grit to refine the flat surfaces and gradually progress to finer grits like 800 and 1200 for a polished finish. For curved surfaces, switch to a rotary tool, starting with 400 grit and finishing with 1200 for a sleek result. Before we begin polishing, make sure to thoroughly clean all the elements to remove any dust or residue. Apply the polisher, then gently start polishing each part in multiple steps, gradually bringing out a beautiful shine. Once polished, add black color to the airplane for added detail and character. Finally, clean all elements once more to remove any remaining polisher and ensure a flawless finish. It's time to start assembling the airplane. Lay out all the prepared elements for the airplane, ensuring you have everything ready. Begin putting the pieces together step by step, following the drawing closely. As the parts come together, you will see the airplane take shape. Next, we will assemble each shaft step by step. Start by placing the drawing for shaft 1 on the table and laying out all the corresponding elements. Carefully fit the parts together using a hammer when needed to ensure a snug fit. Take your time and handle everything with care to avoid any damage. Repeat the process for the shaft 2. Place the drawing on the table, gather all the elements and follow the same steps to assemble. Finally, move to the shaft 3. Follow the same routine. Place the drawing, prepare the elements and assemble them with precision. It's time for the grand finale, the final assembly. Lay out the final drawing on the table and gather all the sub-assemblies and the remaining parts. Carefully fit each element together, ensuring everything is aligned and secured properly. Once assembled, clean the entire mechanism to remove any grease or fingerprints for a flawless finish. And there it is, the completed music box, ready to impress. Take a moment to admire your hard work and the intricate craftsmanship that brought this project to life. Let's test the music. This project was a labor of love and the result speaks for itself. A fine mechanism that's both personal and functional. A heartfelt gift for someone special, ready to make their day unforgettable. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a personalized music box. If you're inspired to make your own or explore other unique projects, visit my website at tinytreasureblueprints.com for more detailed blueprints and ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more handcrafted creations, and check out my other videos for more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you next time.